Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. Hope you're all doing well and you had a wonderful Christmas. Today's video is an unboxing and it is not my Christmas present. No, it's a bag that I've bought in August. Yes, no question. I know I'm crazy, but I keep the bag because I know I will use it later, but I really wanted this bag. And to be fully honest with you, I fell in love at first sight. So without further ado, let's unbox. Here is the baby. Maybe some of you have a clue the bag I have picked. Oh, for your information, the bag is actually on sale on the North American Longchamp websites. And I do think it will then be on sale on the European market because we have our winter sales in January. So here's the bag. Ta-da! I have picked the Longchamp Roseau Essential Bucket Bag XS. You hear me well, this is the Roseau Essential version in the amazing Peacock color. And just to let you know, at the moment, Longchamp has a very wide range of bucket bag in the Roseau line. You have the traditional Roseau Bucket XS with the new leather, the new grain leather. Those ones do have, button pressure on both sides, like traditional Roseau bag, to open and close them if you want to secure them to the max or just make them wider. They came with a handle which is removable, and you have an additional longer strap which is also removable and adjustable. And you also have the same one, but with a smooth leather, not grained. And I saw all of them, so with this one, and the smooth version and the new grain version are smaller in capacity. Even when you expanded them, they are really smaller compared to this one. So this was the first thing that bothers me a little. I appreciate the fact that you can put the handle away, but let's be honest, I am a top handle person, so for me, it's a detail that you can or not remove the top handle. And more things is that this version, which are cute. In fact, the two button pressure, when you close them, when you close the bag to the max, I don't like the shape. I don't like how it turns. And another point is that concerning the grain version, no, I prefer this grain leather, which is also cowhide, but it's clearly not the same. This one looks like more real. I'm not saying that it is not real leather, but the newest version, the leather feels a little bit more plasticky. To my point of view, don't get me wrong, it's just my point of view and how I feel the leather and how I touch it. And another point, the smell. This one smells leather. The other one, you barely have a leather smell. But once again, all the points I'm going to detail you explain why I bought this one, but it's just my point of view. So I went for this one, and the major thing was the color also. I do think Peacock is an amazing color, and just this is Weasel. It was already a lovely blue shade, but let's compare them together. You see, this one is more funny, more pop. So let me take all the paper away because they fooled it to the max. So this bag, as I told you, got a top handle, which is non-removable. This is a real bucket bag, but it comes with an additional strap, which is really longer and which enables you to wear your bag on your shoulder or crossbody. But once again, the newest version have a strap which is adjustable. This one in the Roseau Essential, it's just a removable strap but not adjustable. And this is something a little bit sad. Not for me because I will use it but very rarely. I know I will use this bag like this. But for people who would like to enjoy their bag, you will just be able to wear it on your shoulder. If you are a tall person, crossbody, it will be a little bit hard, I do think. I will include a Modshot of this bag on my body at the end of the video, so you will see. The hardware is gunmetal. I really like it and I think it matches well with Peacock. Oh, I forgot, there's also monochrome version of this bag in goat leather. Goat leather is interesting. It is resistant and more shiny to the light. But no, I prefer when you have a different hardware. Just to let you know everything. And inside you've got a wide compartment and you have a flap pocket which is zipped, and I hope I can. Okay, so you have the Longchamp tag, and it's quite big. I'm sorry if you can't see it clearly. Yes, it's really big. This is quite funny. They called it XS because the capacity is really amazing. I will do what's in my bag. Oh, no fit at the bottom. I can just tell you that I love this leather. It's just great. It's supple, but it holds its shape. And just to show you, so here are my two essential. This is the tote M size in orange. And this bag is a gem, and I am really happy to add this new one. As you can see, I'm crazy about Roseau line, but not very satisfied with the newest one. I don't know. The rectangular shape is interesting, but the new leather, the more I see it, the more I dislike it, in fact, to tell you everything, and I really prefer the older version, which was really more stiff, but I prefer it, seriously. So, here is the bag. Of course, I did not mention, but to open and close it like this. So, here it is. I really like with the hardware. I love the color. I love the color. It's just sad that, as I explain every time, it can't give a color but not applied it to the whole line. Peacock was really a beautiful color. I'm very happy to add it to my collection. I am also super happy to add a bucket bag. I don't have a lot of bucket bag. tell me what you think. Do you have Longchamp bucket bag in your collection or bucket bag from other brand? Let's have a discussion about all this. Thanks for watching this video. Till the next one, take care, and guys, I love you. Bye bye.